Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to download Phonepe statement. Okay, please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, open Phonepe. You see here Phonepe interface. Tap on history. You see on top left side download statement. Tap on download statement. Okay, you see here request statement range last 30 days, last 90 days, last 180 days, last 365 days, custom date range. I am selecting here custom date range. I'm selecting this month August 24. Click on tap on apply, tap on apply, tap on process. Statement downloaded in process. Please wait. Okay, statement downloaded. View statement. Tap on view statement. Select Acrobat. Okay, statement is opening. Please wait. You see here file is open. Transaction history is here. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.